Please be seated. Innovation is not just about having ideas, it's about turning those ideas into reality, challenging the norm and shaping a better tomorrow. Today we celebrate the minds that dare to dream differently and build fearlessly. A very good morning to everyone assembled here. I, Kavya Se Mutta, a 4th year Department of Aeronautical Engineering, consider it as my privilege to welcome you to the Tech Talk on Innovation and Entrepreneurship in Electric Vehicle Technology. Every meaningful journey begins with prayer, a moment to center ourselves and seek guidance from the divine. I now call upon Srinidhi and Shabaresh of 3rd year Aeronautical Engineering for the invocation.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. ओम नमो श्रीनिवासाय कामितार्थप्रदायिने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः. वागीशादिजनानां च वचसां विपुलं प्रभु सामादिकवन्दितानां विद्यां श्रियमहं नमः. ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिष. गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. काले वर्षन्तु पर्जन्य पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी. देशोऽयं शोभरहितः सज्जनाः सन्तु निर्भया. अपुत्रा पुत्रिणः सन्तु पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः. अदना सदना सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदः शतम्. ओम शांति शांति शांति.
Please be seated. Thank you, Mr. Srinidhi and Shabaresh, for that grateful invocation, a truly uplifting way to begin our program with divine blessings. Now, I request Ms. Kamalata Y. Shetty, 3rd year student from Aeronautical Engineering, to welcome the gathering.
Good morning everyone. I, Kamalata Y. Shetty, 5th semester Aeronautical Engineering, delighted to welcome each of you to the technical session. First and foremost, warm and respectful welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Sudarshana Karkala, co-founder and EV engineer, Car Software System. Sir, your presence is both inspiring and motivating for all of us. We are honored to have you with us and look forward to the valuable insights you will share. I welcome you, sir. I am also pleased to welcome to our distinguished principal, Dr. Srinivasa Mayadi. You are graciously agreed to preside over today's function. Sir, your unwavering support and encouragement are fundamental to the growth of organization. In his absence, I welcome you, sir. Next, I extend a warm welcome to our Head of Department of Aeronautical and IIC Coordinator, Dr. Praveen Shenai, and Head of the Department of Automobile, Dr. Sandesh Kumar Rai. Sir, we are grateful for your presence and support. I welcome you, sir. I extend my warm welcome to staff coordinators, Professor Prakash S.T. and Professor Vinod Kumar N. We are honored by your presence and support. I welcome you, sir. I also extend my welcome to all dear professors and all HODs of various departments. Your support is crucial to the functioning and success, and we are appreciate your being here with us. I welcome all. And finally, to my fellow students, a warm welcome to all. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamalata. I request Dr. Sandesh Rai, HOD Automobile Engineering, to florally welcome our chief guest, Mr. Sudarshana Karkala. Thank you, sir. Now, I invite Mr. Dheeraj D of 4th year Automobile Engineering to come forward and introduce our esteemed chief guest for today's program.
Good morning everyone present here. So it is an honorable and privilege to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Sudarshana Karkala. He is an accomplished entrepreneur, innovator and engineer who is currently shaping the future of electric mobility in India. He is the co-founder and EV engineer at Car Software System, Bengaluru, where he develops AI-powered software to improve EV battery safety, performance and management. He also serves as an advisor at iTelematics Software and co-founder of EV Engineer, a platform focused on electric mobility and telematics innovation. Mr. Sudarshana brings with him over 20 years of industry experience, having worked with leading companies like McAfee, Enphase Energy, Dialogic, Amadeus and Pearson, leading projects in mobile apps, IoT, smart energy and automotive cybersecurity. He holds an engineering degree from NITK Surathkal with earlier education at SDM College Ujire and SNM Polytechnic Modabidri. He has also completed advanced certification in electric vehicle technology from IIT Madras, specializing in EV battery management and automotive cybersecurity. He is also published researcher with his work titled as AI-powered EV battery fire prevention system design, contributing valuable insight into EV safety. So let us all warmly welcome Mr. Sudarshana Karkala with a big round of applause.
Thank you, Mr. Dheeraj. It is my privilege to invite Dr. Praveen Shenoy, HOD of Aeronautical Department, to address the gathering.
Respected Chief Guest of today's function, Mr. Sudarshana K, Dr. Sandesh Kumar Rai, HOD, Department of Automobile Engineering, Professor Prakash and Professor Vinod, the coordinators of today's function, my esteemed colleagues and my dear students. Not to take much of your time, but this initiative is one of the many initiatives what we have under the Institutions Innovation Council. As you know, ours was one of the very few colleges in the entire India to have a 4-star rating in the Institutions Innovation Council last year, and that was all because of the consistent activities as well as the support what our faculties and our students have been giving us through. Now, just to give you a brief insight about why it is required, under IIC we aim to bring together students of all the departments together under one framework and give them an equal opportunity to work on interdisciplinary projects. So today we have not just students from the core branches of automobile, but we also have students from aeronautical, CS, computer science and business systems, EEE department few. So that is why, I don't know whether us and someone said that you have to be here, at least some of the students, but I'll ensure you that the one key point what you need to take away from this workshop is, or this talk is rather, how well can you have interdisciplinary projects? In today's world, we say that just having a few lines of code does not solve a problem. Similarly, just having, say, a car running on its own will not resolve the issue. All engineers need to come together, they have to work together in order to get the best output possible. So in order to make our country self-reliable, self-dependent without working much on other nations, we have to come together, think out of the box, come out of our, say, lethargic timeline and work towards building this nation. So I thank Sudarshan sir for coming over here in very short notice. I think probably 1 day before we had approached him, and he readily agreed to it. So a very happy session to all of you. Please get the best out of it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom and encouragement. I feel deeply privileged to invite Dr. Sandesh Rai, HOD of Automobile Department, to address the gathering.
Respected chief guest of today's function, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. You know that after Corona, we are talking more about sustainability technologies, right? So later part we could see many of the automobile companies have come with electric vehicles. Now electric vehicle is no more a branch limited to a particular branch, say automobile or mechanical. Now it is multidisciplinary, taking the automotive cyber security or technologies, battery management, AI applications. It is required that all branches to know about these EV technologies in future. I mean to say the current technologies. So it is very important to know what are the technologies that going to come in the EV as well. So we got Mr. Sudarshan Karkala, who has readily agreed to come over here and to deliver the talk. I thankful to the our resource person, and without delaying, I request the students to continue the program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those inspiring and insightful words. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. Now, I call upon Mr. Karan V. Rai, third year student of Automobile Engineering, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Karan Viray from 5th SEM Automobile Engineering. It's my honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Mr. Sudarshan Karkala, co-founder and EV engineer, Car Software System, Bangalore. So we are truly eager to hear your words of wisdom and looking forward to your inspiring address. I sincerely thank our beloved principal, Dr. Srinivas Mayadi, in his absence, who has been always a pillar of support and source of motivation to us all. A warm thank you to our respected head of the Department of Automobile Engineering, Dr. Sandesh Rai, and head of the Department of Aeronautical Engineering and IIC coordinator, Dr. Praveen Shenoy, for guiding and encouraging us in every step of this event. Special thanks to our dedicated staff coordinator, Professor Prakash ST and Professor Vinod Kumarian, whose tireless efforts and meticulous planning have made this event a grand success. We are also grateful to the management for providing us with the platform, resources and constant encouragement. A sincere note of appreciation to all of the HODs of other department and esteemed faculty members and non-teaching staff for their gracious presence and support. Last but not the least, a big thank you to all our friends for enthusiastic participation in and cheerful spirit. Thank you.
Thank you. Once again, we express our heartfelt thanks to everyone for taking the time to be with us and sharing such inspiring words. Now, I kindly request Professor Prakash S.T. and Professor Vinod Kumar N., Staff Coordinator, to escort the dignitaries of the dais. Kindly rise.
Hello, test. Hello. Hello, mic test. Hello. Hello, test. Hello.
Now we come to the most awaited part of today's program, the technical talk by our esteemed chief guest. It is with great honor and anticipation that I invite Mr. Sudarshana Karkala, our chief guest, to take the stage and deliver the keynote technical session.
Good morning, everyone. Yeah, today's topic is very interesting, like innovation and entrepreneurship in electric vehicle technologies. The goal is like after 1 year, right, or after 6 months, you need to start your own startup, or you can create your own electric vehicle. That is the goal. Okay, and it is not only for a couple of branches; it's for everyone. Okay, this is like in a company how we are working, right? So we have many teams, and we are working like everyone working on for the project. Okay, let me go to the next slide. Okay. Yeah, today's agenda. Yeah, today's agenda, EV innovation, entrepreneurship, and future of future of e-mobility and software development. Yeah, initially we'll discuss about the EV, how we can create our own EV vehicle, electric vehicle, and then we'll go in depth on the battery. Then what all the opportunities are available for all the students and all, right? So we'll discuss about that one, career opportunities. Yeah, this is also the startup only when we were working in when we were studying in the NIT Rothkal. So we had so many ideas and all. Finally, we have started, we are working on the vehicles, normal vehicles. Right? How to get the data, how to connect to that vehicles and all. So this is the company we have started there, iTelematics Software Private Limited. It is specializing in automotive telematics engineering. And mainly we are working on in-vehicle communication and vehicle-to-vehicle communication. Okay. The telematics, what is telematics? Telematics is a telecommunication plus informatics, like for the vehicles. And that is the one field. And another concept is like a EV battery. And finally, we noticed like so many issues are there in the cyber security. So these are the three main domains we are targeting. Okay. I think everybody knows petrol vehicle, right? You can see a petrol vehicle. Yeah, what all the components are available in petrol vehicle? What? Yeah, engine, fuel tank. Yeah, everybody knows. What is the difference between petrol vehicle and electric vehicle? Battery. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, mainly battery, controller, and motor. Right? Yeah, I will not read this definition all. You can see. Okay, what I will do, I'll show you one more slide. Yeah, this is the electric vehicle, and you can think about like how you can start in your own electric scooter or electric three-wheeler or four-wheeler. Okay, and it is very easy to do also, and with minimal cost. So what I will do, I will show one small video, short video. It will explain each and everything like from the scratch. Okay. Let me run that, play that video. Sound better, sound better. Yeah, here what he is doing, right? He is creating the electric vehicle from the scratch. So here we have many different branches, right? We have from electrical, electronics, computer science, or mechanical, also automobile. So it is for everyone. He is doing from the scratch, so you can see how we can make electric vehicle from scratch. Yeah, the goal of this seminar, no? I wanted to know like who and all are interested in this project, and if somebody is really interested, I can guide them and we can make the electric vehicle, including software integration and AI integration. See, another advantage of this project, right? Here what he is doing, he is not only creating an electric vehicle, this is the solar powered electric vehicle. He is integrating solar and no need to go to charging station and all. While driving only, it will charge automatically. Yeah, see this video carefully so that you can also design from scratch. He's telling like minimal devices, minimal component, right? He's using only minimal things and is doing. Why these things are important, right? Now, if you see nowadays, right, everything is automated. Like the AI is there. Suppose you wanted to create any application, software, and all, right? People will not hire any developers, right? You can go to ChatGPT, you can go to DeepSeek or any other tool that will generate code, but AI will not do these things. For the opportunity is here. And if you are looking for a job outside and all, right, it's very difficult and they will not pay much also in the software side as of now. And again, to do this project, right, we need automobile engineers, mechanical engineers, all electrical, electronics, computer science, AI, ML, aeronautical engineering. We need all the branch students. It is not for a specific branch. Yeah, this steering wheel is ready. Yeah, now almost this vehicle is ready. He is creating the battery pack. Again, that is a huge opportunity for electronics or electrical students. And currently we are importing from the China these batteries, battery pack. So we can maintain, we can fix those battery issues and all, right? Suppose something happened for the battery, what we will do? We will replace that battery. But we don't need to replace, we can fix also, we can repair that battery. That is another opportunity. See how they are making the battery, right? This is the another opportunity. Yeah, now battery pack is ready. He is fixing that battery. Yeah, another around 4 minutes maybe. Right. Say vehicle is ready. Now what he will do, he will integrate a solar panel. Yeah, the next thing is like, see, nowadays no cars are there, but there is no solar panel integrated. Only couple of cars are there in US and all, right? The Tesla has the Tesla Cybertruck, I think. They have solar panel, solar powered EV, right? So we can think about this one also. One team can work on the solar problems, then they can integrate this one to the EV. Yeah, we can get a ready-made solar panel. We can integrate there, and with a couple of connections, right? We can connect to the battery, then we can run that. Yeah, finally, car is ready, solar power, this one, electric vehicle is ready. Okay, I can, finally we need to do that final verification, and they can run. Yeah, you can see how minimal components we have used, and it is running. Right, let me go to the presentation. Yeah, the next thing is like, see, these are the things, right? This is a theory. I will not cover because I will share this PPT. Okay. So you can have a look. Let me go to next slide. Yeah, what is the future of electric vehicle? Here we have a lot of opportunities like sustainability, eco-friendliness, okay, and smart urban mobility, autonomous vehicle, AI-powered dashboard. See, these are the opportunities for all the branches, right? So now what I will do, I will take one example, okay. See, in the EV, what is the problem? What is the in EV, right? Electric vehicle, what is the major problem? What is the problem in battery? Huh? Range. Yeah. What are the other problems? Fast charging, slow charging. Fast charging, right? If we are doing fast charging, what is the problem? Battery life. See, yeah. So what we thought, like, we need to solve some problem. As an entrepreneur, right? We no need to create a very big product. We need to identify the problem and we need to fix that problem. So we have decided, okay, we'll go to battery. Okay, AI powered battery, EV battery fire prevention systems. And let me go to the next one. Okay, suppose you are an entrepreneur and you need to solve some problem, right? You need to identify the problem. You no need to worry about the solution. Okay, you can think solution later. So if you are identifying the right problem, right, then we can go for the solution. So in battery, right, what are the problems? See, I have mentioned a couple of problems here. One is a frequent thermal runaways, runaway incidents. Because of that one, fire incident, fire related issues also it will come. In Bangalore, so many fire problems came. Right. The another problem, lack of real-time battery health monitoring system. Right. And one more problem I'll tell you, the real problem. Okay. For example, I have discussed with the customer. They have around 100 vehicles. Okay. The fleet owners. And their drivers, right? They're driving day-night. They have around 120 drivers are there. And they're driving morning also, evening also. Okay. How they are driving? Because they need to drive continuously, they will do fast charging. Because of fast charging, battery life, it will go down. They are not worried about battery life. But the OEM, right, the Tata or OEM owners, they are sending the notification to the fleet owners and all. But still, these guys, right, drivers, they are not caring about this battery life and all. They wanted to make money. So they are doing fast charging every time. Because for Tata Nexon, it cost is around 20 lakhs. Battery cost is around 60% of that, around 12 lakhs. It will, the cells and all, it went wrong, like it is not workable condition. So they lost lot of lakhs. And for this one, no, per EV, they lost around 12 lakhs within 4 years. So what they thought, they told me to fix that issue. So suppose if anybody wanted to fix that issue, no, what they wanted to know, if they are doing fast charging or slow charging, they wanted to detect only this one from the car. See, I'll tell you the problem. We need to know, is this a fast charging or slow charging? We need to detect. And if you solve that problem, you will solve so many fleet owners' problem. Students are not able to understand. What is the problem? See, I'll tell you. See, fleet owners, right, they have around 200 cars or 300 cars. Okay. But they are running this one day-night. The drivers are running day-night. So, what driver will do? Driver will go to charging station. They will do fast charging. Fast charging will take 1 or 2 hours to charge. For slow charging, it will take around 8 to 12 hours to charge. Okay. Driver will not wait to charge 12 hours or 8 hours. So what OEM told Tata company, we need to do 4 fast charging, then we need to go for 1 slow charging. Okay. But drivers will not go for slow charging because it will take time. They will do fast charging every time. So because of that one, the battery life, right, it will go down. And they're not able to use that one. And Tata will not give warranty or anything because they're misusing the battery. So because of that one, these guys lost lot of money. So this is a challenge for everyone, like the students, right? If they're not able to identify drivers doing fast charge or slow charge, right? The only one problem I tell you. Okay, you can insert some sensor and all, right? And get to know if whenever they're charging, if it's a fast charging or slow charging, you will make lot of money. I'm not telling so many, you need to create a BEV and all. This is a one simple problem. Okay. So how to do that one? Yeah, first we need to connect to car, right? How to connect to car? No. See, car is there. So I wanted to know car's internal information. I wanted to know how battery is working, what is this one issues. So we have OBD port, okay, and we can install that ELM device. That is cautious, okay, and we can display also in the if you are going, okay, and we can display also in the if you are going to service station, right? What they will do? In the other vehicle and all, they will repair and all. But in the EV, right, this is like a computer. They will put some software, they will install some software and this one device. They will get all the details. Everything will be shown in the dashboard, in the computer. Right. So we need to collect this one. Suppose some car is there, some problems are there. Service station guys don't need to come to car's place, location. They can connect car from their service station directly through cloud or internet. They can get all the data, they can see what is the problem. Then they can send the mechanic or technician to that car place, right? So these things we can do it. That is what I'm telling for the students, right? If somebody is interested in this, doing this one, no? We can get the car information, we can try something. The another problem I'm telling, right? The intrusion detection, like the hackers, right? Nowadays, that is easy for hackers. The AI is there. So many AI tools are there, hacking tools. They will send some fake signals to car. And they will change the car battery. Or they can modify some other things and all. Right? So, how to protect that car? The EV car. EV car is not a car now. It is a computer. It is an electronic device. Right? So we need to scan, how to scan the EV, how to detect intrusions. See, these are all the opportunities, latest opportunities because of the AI. And you can alert, okay, I'm going to next thing, yeah. I will not go in depth here. This is the intrusion detection. For example, hackers can do spoofing attack, okay. They can inject fake voltage, okay. And man in the middle attack, they can also do that one. SOC they can modify. They can put some malware to the BMS. So lot of problems also will come in future, right? So we can work on that. See, finally, if you are going for one battery, right? What are the information we can get it from the battery? We need to know the health of the battery, right? See, initially when you purchase, right, then they will say, okay, 100% charge. That means 100%. After 5 years, right, it is not 100% charge. It is around 80% charge. Okay, but it's showing 100%. But do you know what all the cells are affected for that ones? Batteries are there, it is good. But only couple of cells are having a problem. Because of that one, battery will not work properly. So we need to replace that battery. We don't need to replace. We can fix that issue, but nobody knows how to fix. Right? That is the reason what we are doing. We are doing another project to check the cell health, each cell health. We can give the grading and all, and we can replace only those cells. So instead of losing that 12 lakhs, we can spend 1 lakh or 2 lakhs, and we can fix those things, those batteries. It will save a lot of money. Right? Deep discharging, water damage. So, yeah, this is another huge opportunity. Okay. Yeah, here computer science students also there, right? Computer science or IT students or AIML. Yeah, see, after you are getting all the data, see, I'm telling like from scratch. We can do car from the scratch, right? Then we can get the data. Then what we need to do? We need to send this data to cloud. Right, how to send to cloud? Where is the cloud? How many students are there from computer science or IT, IIML? Okay. You worked on cloud technology, cloud? Yeah. See, you are getting the data from the vehicle, then you need to send that to cloud, right, for the processing and all. So, this is the cloud architecture, the AWS cloud. Here we are uploading that data, then we will process, we will do the pre-processing and all. Okay, we will store the data there, we need to do computing and all. Okay. This is the battery management system. Okay, see, in electric vehicle, right, battery is the heart. Battery is everything for the electric vehicle. Suppose it is a 20 lakhs vehicle, 12 lakhs it will go to battery only. Again in battery, right, what is the brain of the battery? That is the BMS system, battery management system. Right. So we need to go there, we need to check that, what is the issue and all. We'll get all the information from battery management system. Okay. So this is the this one. I thought of explaining each and every module, but okay, fine. We'll go to next one. Yeah, finally, see here the thing is like the research is we need to estimate the state of health, state of temperature, state of charge, right? See, AI will not do all these things. We need to do that one. And again, this is an opportunity for this one. No? Okay. The next thing is like the AI. Once you are getting the battery, we can predict when, suppose if I am purchasing now that car, right? When that battery may damage. Not now, after 5 years, what may happen. So we can predict those things. So this is the another model we are working on that one, AIML related things. So how to do the predictive analysis, all these things. So anybody is from AIML team or anybody knows AI? Okay. Yeah. See, we need to learn each and every this module, right? So we should. So for example, electronics or computer science or anybody, they can learn these things. And I'm showing the opportunity. Where is the opportunity in these days? Right. See, now people are talking about AI. AI will generate code. AI will give all the data, everything. But it will there for another 1 or 2, 3 years. Right. What is next? Then quantum computing will come. That is not available. The hardware is not available as of now. Okay, but still research is going on. So this is another opportunity for students to learn quantum computing. Right. So battery is amazing part, right? And battery chemistry will not change. Only we need to optimize, we need to know how to repair, how to know the status of the battery and all using these new technologies. So we are doing some research on quantum computing also. So I will not explain these things, but I share this PDF. Yeah, here cloud and edge quantum computing infrastructure, secure quantum cryptography layer. Yeah. And this is for the students. Like suppose somebody wanted to try something on the EV side. This is a small project. I have created around 4 or 5 small projects. It will take 1 week time to experiment, to get the battery details. Okay. For example, they can connect some sensors, get the battery temperature monitoring. We can do some battery temperature monitoring systems. We can do using Python also. Anybody knows Python? Anybody knows Python programming? Okay. If anybody wanted to learn this Python and all, right, I can teach. Okay. This is all experiment is very nice, very interesting. Okay. This is one is the battery temperature monitoring system. Another one is the battery voltage and current analysis. Another one is SOC, state of health estimation. And EV battery health prediction. See, you need to create small POC and you need to showcase, right? The why I'm telling, right? The reason I'm telling this one because if you see every day outside, right? No jobs for the freshers, no jobs for the experienced people, no jobs anywhere. But lot of opportunities are there. Nobody knows where is the gap, where is the opportunity. Okay. This is another problem statement we have written. Yeah, see, now what all the companies are hiring for this one, EV, right? See, mainly why we are studying? We are studying for the job, right? We are studying for the money, like we need to make money. That is more important. Okay, see, these are the companies. I have taken this one from the Apple CarPlay. Okay, this is only from CarPlay. But you have lot of other opportunities also there. Android Auto is there, Mercedes-Benz also working, and so many companies working on this EV as of now. And Tesla also came to India. Okay, if Tesla is there, they need to install all the charging stations everywhere. So that is another opportunity. Because Tesla there in the Mumbai or Pune or Delhi, it may come to Bangalore also, Bangalore. So everywhere that charging station should be there. See, what are the things we need to learn? We are studying something, right? But to get the job, what are the things we need to study? See, Tesla is available, BYD is available. So many companies are coming, automotive companies. So, see, this is another opportunity. CarPlay, Apple CarPlay. Similarly, Android Auto also there. And Android is, Google is working on automotive operating system. Okay. So, if you try to install Android Automotive, then that is another opportunity. Right. See, here I am trying this one, Apple CarPlay, right? I have written a couple of applications to show the car's health or battery related things, See, this is the Tesla's, this one, no? They have solar as well as car. Okay. They are providing end-to-end solution for the home, for the cars, right? So this is another huge opportunity for this one, solar side. Okay, this is, BYD is also coming to India. Many cars are there in the fleet, right? They are purchasing BYD cars. They have a blade battery. So if you are thinking about this area, right? Job openings are available. Okay. Suppose you wanted to try something on a Mercedes-Benz, right? You can try. They are providing the simulators. They are providing developer portal. They have APIs. So you can try. You can experiment. So many people they are not know from where we need to get the data, how to connect to cars, how to control cars. So lot of Mercedes-Benz, there is their official website. This one. They mentioned all the APIs, how to get the battery details and all. Okay, I have pasted all the screenshots and with the link also. See, another huge opportunities nowadays. You can think about the autonomous car, right? EV is there. We know how to make the EV. Then how that can be drive alone? Like no need to touch any steering at all. Autonomously we can run that, drive that car, or we can control remotely. We can do remote this one, no, the autonomous parking, self parking. No need to be. For example, if I don't know how to park the car, so if you press one button, it is automatically it will park. So we can think about the patterns. We can think about how to solve this one. Right? You can take this as like your college project. All right. And finally, jobs. All right. So now you are from third year or final year? Third year. Third year and final year. Okay. And we are preparing for the jobs, right? Yeah. What all the companies are coming? You are applying for what are the companies? See here, right? You have huge opportunities, right? See, finally, why we are studying? We need to get a job. We need to work somewhere, right? See, I have mentioned here, these are opportunities, right? If you are able to create your own electric vehicle in college, right? And you can showcase that to outside, people will come and they will invest on you. Right, and they will take your team directly. You no need to worry about, you no need to search outside. Right. See, here I'll tell you. I have noted down a couple of job openings. See, because I was a hiring manager for Enphase and McAfee also. I have tried around 8 years. I was a hiring manager, and I know how we are doing interviews and all, how to hire the people, students and all. Huh? So you need to study only one subject in detail. You don't need to worry about so many things, right? But you need to go in depth on that subject. Okay. For example, that is the reason I'm showing here. See, test and validation engineer. So many opening positions are there. Control systems engineer. Okay. EV software engineer. Okay. See, now software, anybody can write a code, okay. They no need to worry. If you know the problem, you go to ChatGPT, type that problem statement and say, generate code for me. It will generate. You ask questions, it will generate. But you should know what is the problem, what is the question you need to ask. That's it. And how to solve the problem. Right. So that is one EV software engineer, EV battery engineer. And here lot of opportunities on EV battery pack creation. Right. We are getting the battery from the China, but we don't know how to repair that one. And something happened, we will replace it. If you see laptop also, if some problems are there, they will not fix that problem. They will replace that component. Then where is that, that will be there, that some small problem will be there. If you know how to fix, we can take that corrupted or this damaged device, no? We can fix it and we can use it. It will work fine. And in the battery, that's a huge opportunity. It is not, recycling, EV recycling, battery recycling. I watched one video from Mercedes-Benz CEO. What he is telling, we no need to worry about that EV battery issues and all. We can do recycling. Suppose if you purchase some new battery, right, it costs around 100 rupees. But if you do the recycling, it will cost around 45 rupees. If it is 100 rupees and 45 rupees. And again, the quality is same. The initial, right? And for that one, right, for the manufacturing new battery, it will take 6 months. For repair, the recycling, it will take around 3 months. Okay. And instead of throwing that battery and all, right, we can keep it and we can recycling. Then that is the ultimate opportunity for India. Okay. Then again, AIML. So AIML, ChatGPT, all these things, tools are there. But we can create our own model. Right. We can do our own solutions. Instead of using existing ChatGPT or any other DeepSeek tools. And one more huge opportunity on cyber security, automotive cyber security. See what is happening, right? Now everybody knows that binary format, 0, 1, right? That is, the AI is using that 0, 1, all these things. But tomorrow quantum computing comes, right? So all, what are the encrypted things, right? It will automatically, do a decryption easily. So we can hack almost all the cars, almost all the systems when quantum computing comes. Then hackers may increase. So we need to learn how to do the cyber security, how to protect those things. So I am telling the opportunities here again, right? And telematics engineer. Telematics means we need to get the data, vehicle data or medical data, right? To get the data and we can remotely transfer and all. Yeah, and another opportunity, renewable energy, solar energy, so many are, this one is there, no? So, yeah. And if anybody, see, we are giving training on these things. Suppose anybody is interested, right? We can take around 5 students and we can give training on this area. Okay. See what we are doing, we are going colleges and we are we are not selecting all the people, like only a couple of people who is really interested in this one and really interested in research. We will select those people and we can train those guys. Okay, because we know lot of opportunities are there, lot of openings are there in the EV companies, right? And they will not publish in the Naukri or LinkedIn anywhere. We need to work with the HR or the hiring manager in the LinkedIn or somewhere, right? That is all internal things. So, yeah. So what we are doing, we are working on the EV battery research and we'll do the mock interviews, like how people are taking the interview in industry, right? We will help. So you no need to worry. If you go to hiring this one, right, the interview and all, you may hesitate or you may not be able to answer. But we can practice in college itself, right? Yeah, these are the, see, we can give career guidance and we can do the internship also on this one, right? And also we need to create a personal branding from college itself. You need to create your own documents, research papers. Suppose if possible you can create a patents. Right? Yeah. Any questions? Yeah, we have discussed one problem, right? We need to detect fast charging or slow charging. If anybody or any team, if they are able to do that one, right, within 2 months, this is August and September, we will give you 10,000 rupees for that team. It is not difficult. And if any team, if they are able to do this solution, right, it will take only 1,000 rupees for the sensors and all. We know how to do that one. So if anybody wanted to try this one, right, we will give the price like 10,000 rupees for that team. Yeah, any questions? Yeah, we will not give for everyone, like only for the selected students. If they are really interested, then we will give, because they have to invest their time. Not like exams and all, but they have to go in depth. Yes. See, I agree, but I'm giving internship, I'm working with many students, but so many times what happened, they are not, they will join initially, then they will not work. So that is our time also we are investing. So if they are really interested and really working on that couple of people, right, then we will give internship. Yeah, that is the one. I'm not giving any false this one. Yeah, if anybody is really interested, let me know, or you can inform sir also. Okay, and you can learn. See, mainly not about internship. Here you can learn Python, you can learn so many new technologies, right? You can go in depth on the EV, and you can learn that EV domain in depth. And you can know how to make electric vehicle like bicycle or this one, the small vehicles. So you can showcase to in the industry. They will also, okay, then they will recognize it. Yeah, any questions?
As we know that fast charging normally reduces the battery life and compared to normal charging. What is the reason, sir?
Fast charging is why, see, I'll tell you simple reason. If somebody is in ICU, right, they're putting some drips or something. Okay, drips or some injection or they're pushing, right? If they're pushing in the fast, okay, it will take around 8 hours to put that injection for the patient, right? But if they're putting in 1 hour time, right, the same injection, it will go fast everywhere, right, for the body also. The same way, it will go to the cell in that one. It will corrupt that cell, this one. It will damage the cell, each cell. So we should not, that is the reason they are telling we should not do fast charging. Better we need to do slow charging only. We need to, that is our main project. Like we need to check the health of the cell. If you are doing fast charging, it will go the current, no, that DC to this one, AC to DC conversion. I think direct the current, right? Instead of that one, we need to do slow charging.
Most of the automobile industries, they are telling we are having so many outlets where you can do the fast charging and all. Yeah, but is it right?
See, as of now, when I know this problem, and I went to fleet owners and all, they told the problems, and I directly went to this OEM only, the purchasing the vehicle. Like I don't want to purchase, but I was asking them, while sale time, right, they will tell you no need to worry about fast charging, slow charging and all. You do. Okay, but they wanted to sell this car. Okay. And see, me only, last one or 2 weeks back only I went to Tata. I wanted to purchase, I thought like I wanted to purchase Tata Nexon. Because Tata Nexon is a problem, you need to fix that one. Okay. But while selling, they are telling, okay, you don't need to worry about all these things. But if you go to fleet management, right, fleet owners, they are telling the actual problems. Okay. I can show you the discussion, what we did and all. See, they have so many other problems also. In normal vehicle, we can run continuously. There's no need to worry about the limits and all, how many kilometers. But they told me, EV, right, EV Nexon, they have to run 1,600 kilometers per month. Okay, they should not run more than that one. Like, we need to, And normal vehicle we can run, we can put a petrol and we can run. Okay, that is another, this one. And this one also, after 4 fast charging, right, we need to do the slow charging. Then we can do fast charging. See, everybody is worried about this only, this problem. Okay, and not only I went to that station, I went to many other stations, this one, fleet management, and they told we are trusting drivers. Drivers are telling, okay, fast charging or slow charging, they are telling they are doing slow charging only. But actually they are doing fast charging. And they cannot install this device every EV station, charging station, because these guys are going somewhere and charging. They wanted to make more money, but indirectly it is reducing their battery cell health and all. They lost. Okay, I can show the customer. See, this is the title is given that is entrepreneurship. See, what you need to do, what you need to see, the problem of the customer, right? Yeah. See, what you need to see, the problem of the customer. What is the difference between, I don't know much about business and entrepreneurship. Okay, but I learned little bit. So business, right, you can purchase something and you can sell that one for more money and all, right? You are doing that one. But entrepreneur, they will do the same thing, but they will add extra values to that one. They will solve the real problem, customer's problem. Okay, we no need to think about so many big things. At least this is the pain point, customer pain point, fleet owner's pain point. And still I am working on that one. How to, see now again I will tell you another problem. Why that is the challenge? Because for students it's possible, okay. That is the reason I am told I can give 10,000 rupees and you can try this one. Okay, but legally we cannot do this one. Okay, you can hack and you can get that details. Okay, but if you are going for a legally, how to get the battery data? That is the OEM proprietary data. Okay, and everything is not available in the scan bus or this one, no? The OBD port. We will not be able to get. That is all. Again, Nexon or Tata OBD, right? This one, battery details, all these things are specific to Tata only. We can give that to BMW or any other. There is no general this one. We need to take one vehicle. For example, I went to Hyundai. Okay. And I'm working closely with those service engineers, the advisors and all. And I saw which device they are using. I saw. Okay. But they told that's only for the Hyundai. We cannot use that OBD device for any other. So this is another opportunity, right? It is not possible to generalize, but at least we can go there and we can see the problem, like how to get the data, how to get the voltage, all these details. What are the things I shown here? These are all, solution is not available as of now. What are the things I shown, right? And if somebody has the solution, they can make a lot of money. And this is opportunity for students. And again, one more thing I'll tell you. Once you join any other companies, right, you cannot do parallel work. Okay, you can work for only that company. But if you start your own startup from college, right, you can work anytime. See, this car software systems, right, I have created from college. So I'm using I have 20 years of experience, industry experience. Okay. And if I go any company and all, right, this is my startup, this one, right, I'm working on that one. Okay, I didn't register car software systems. Okay, but we have registered iTelematics Software Private Limited. That is also college startup only. Nobody can ask why you are working on this one. This is my baby. Right. Otherwise, people will say, okay, you should not work on that company, this company at all. Yeah. So your question is very valid. But if anybody is interested to get the data from the battery, I'm happy to help. And we are also working on that. Okay. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir, for the truly inspiring and insightful technical session. Your words have not only enriched our knowledge, but also broadened our perspective on innovation and entrepreneurship in electric vehicle technology. We are truly honored to have had the opportunity to learn from you today. As a token of our appreciation and gratitude, we would like to present the memento to Mr. Sudarshana Karkala. I kindly request Dr. Praveen Shenoy, sir, HOD of Aeronautical Department, to hand over the memento. Thank you, sir, for gracing us with your presence and sharing your valuable time and knowledge. With that, we come to the end of today's event. Thank you all for your time, presence and support. Have a great day ahead.
Students, just wait. So we are planning to have an MOU with Sir's company. So those who are interested to work with Sir, he has so many problems to solve. So for engineers, problems means opportunities. So he has shown how many openings you have in the field of EVs. The future EVs will be like this only. So not just what we thought, right? IC engines and all other things. The future EV is all about these things. So that is why I was just searching for a person who can guide us on this. Luckily we got Sudarshan sir. Accidentally we met, he came to our college. We are supposed to have this session in the last semester itself, but at the last minute we could not able to manage the time and all that. So this time he had come to the NATK alumni meet, so he could able to come here and deliver the this session for you. So those who are interested can give your names. It is not about the branches. It is multidisciplinary here onwards. So for any automotive or mechanical engineers or electrical, electronics, this is the opportunities. Okay, so you can develop a system which can work for these EVs. So thank you so much. So I want some interested students to work on this. Let us see how many of you are interested. Thank you so much, sir, coming over here and spending your time here.